Okay, so today she's going to be opening a Shopkin that you have to dip in water. That's why we have some water right here. Okay, so open it with some scissors. Put like in the top. It says that right there. We just scanned it. And it's 5+. That's what it recommends. 5 and older. So, like you need it. Oh. So she doesn't want to break the bag, so you're just going to cut that thing. So you can see that we're...
Show them the box when you're done.
So
we need
to get this out. We need to get the box out. We need to dip it in water. Oh, we do?
Yeah.
So we need to dip it in water with this bag on. And it kind of gets a lot smushy. Oops. Oh. And then we have to open the box.
Oh, I get it now.
Oh, okay.
You have to make it all smushy and disappear.
So you gotta make the like purple stuff. You got something. See? Yeah, I got.
She got something.
So you can guys see here. Show them the. So right now I see on top. So if you can see with the camera, hold on. I don't know. So this is
like,
coming opening because this is
get
like.
it out.
Okay, get it out. Okay. That might be a little.
You might need some help from an adult. This is a little bit tricky.
Guys, look at this.
We think she actually needs to put like some like. We think she needs to use scissors, but she got it. See, look.
Yeah, so she got some.
Oh, it's so cold out. Sorry.
I know.
It's so cold out here.
Yeah, like.
It is a windy game.
This is yours. This is
It
yours.
Ooh.
Okay.
I don't know if we.
Oh yeah, I got ice cream. So she got some ice cream,
And I got these things.
yeah, like. So she got. What is this brand? What is this brand?
Open them up.
You guys need some help reading. Okay. And
What's the saying?
That's I don't know.
Sorry,
It's a
brand of ice cream.
I don't know. It's a brand of ice cream. Chocolate.
She's opening it.
She's opening her
It's
cereal.
what I call zebra, but it's actually chocolate.
Okay, so cut that right there. Okay, now get it out.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. This is our person saying chicken nuggets.
I forgot that you need to open the box.
Harper, you have cardboard on your face.
Can I just wipe this?
That thing's messy. Be careful if you're.
Yeah, she got it
Let's
all.
go
Okay.
over and see what they got so far. They didn't open the blind bags, but they still have this mess. They have a little box like
Oh!
it's like a cereal.
She got a look at the Shopkins. She gotta get a little like
joke.
oh my gosh,
Fruity thingy.
fruity thingy. That
I think
it has pizza. Sorry if we can't show it that much, but it's like this pizza carnage tray thingy. I don't know how to say
and
it.
it goes inside
Okay.
of there.
Let's see this bag.
Cereal.
We need to open
And
our
now
ice
they're
cream
gonna do
here.
the Ice cream.
That's a little difficult to cut. And maybe you guys could get one of these and maybe see your surprises. And if you get the same ones,
here's the checklist.
if you like these characters so far,
Don't
forget to like and subscribe if you like it. Wait,
What you get in there?
here. So I'll
Let's
open this
see.
checklist. So she's gonna maybe get one of these ice cream ones. So you can see some ice cream ones. She got this. No, she has a this one. You got this one. So it seems she got this one. We think.
We don't want to
think
ruin
she
the
got-
surprise.
I think she got this one.
Don't know still.
We're keeping
it a surprise. Only we know.
Yeah.
Yep, we know.
She got it.
It's the right
do,
one.
do you know what you got? So you got this.
Shut up. Here, let me show you. Oh, you can't see.
Sorry.
That's what she got. Isn't it so cute?
Look at chocolate milk bear. I don't know. That's it.
It's like
This here. Do you guys want to take a look at the water? It's so cold. Look at this. Look at this water. It's gross. Purple. It's gross. It's purple and it looks like puke. So
it's like chalk mint.
And here's my
chalk mint
toys.
berries.
Oh, no. If you guys could see, sorry if we show it. So you can see the pizza tray right here. So see some pizza. Oh, actually, I think this is mac and cheese. This is mac and cheese.
Oh, she has to go home and she got to go to
okay,
her
so you can see some.
She has to go to her brother's football game.
Okay. So you can see this one. I think that's like.
And I'm gonna show you. This is when there's like a little bit of ice on the ground. So yeah.
So like this is mac and cheese we figured out. Like this is like
mac and cheese.
I don't know.
What? Yeah, it's mac and cheese.
It's mac and
like,
cheese. And then we have like sorry if we can't throw it good. Here. Okay, have this. Okay, and then she got her ice cream. A little ice cream scoop.
Showing.
So right there, you can see on the back of it, it shows like a little spoon.
Apple.
And
there also is and she's putting them back in the boxes. Show them the boxes. There is the
first box.
the cereal one. Oh, I can't see. Yeah, and the second one is the ice cream box.
Ice cream.
Right in the back of that one has
see this ice cream one?
something. And then there's an ice cream. Then the same thing on the back. Yeah.
So you can see that they have like the ingredients, these lines, but you can't really read them because it doesn't have real ingredients. Because you know it's not a real, right? It's a toy.
Yeah.
So maybe she can hear that. In the future, maybe we'll do more of these. You can this kind of videos.
Hear that hard noise, right?
Kind of shake it a little bit, maybe. Oh my gosh, you're gonna miss
doing that noise.
Hey guys, we need to show you. Look at these scissors that we. Look at the scissors that we did. We did it, and look at all of this.
Look at all
that we got on the scissors. We'll have to clean up. Oh, Hannah's coming back.
Yeah, she's coming back.
Hello. You're watching me.
And right now, so this is all of our friends, and right here, she is watching her.
Well, basically, her parents are watching. Oh my gosh, you're getting this stuff everywhere. You got it in your hair, you got it on your face. Hey guys.
Yeah. And we'll meet you tomorrow. Everybody say bye.
Hey guys.
Bye.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. Say bye.
Hello.
Everybody say bye.
Look at my nails. Look at my nails. Bye. Look at my nails. You think I'm sassy? I want it. I got it. Okay. Goodbye. She said.